Good morning, South Africa. Now, this is specifically for anyone living in the borders of South Africa and abroad. So this is for everyone. Listen, man, we all have access to AI now. We all have access to doing things, easy and fun, all that stuff. But everyone's stuff looks the same. So if you have a business, you have a church, you have any type of designing you need done, I want you to contact me today and let me help you with some professional design work that doesn't have to look like everyone else's. I'm seeing a trend, and I'm not judging at all because it's really cool when we get free stuff. But I see a million coffee shops advertising all across social media, and everybody looks the same. So who are you going to go to? The person that stands out. So as amazing as AI is, and we can use AI to our advantage, our designs are not just AI based. Our designs and our work is professionally done according to your brand, according to your style. So contact us today. Let us make some new fresh ads for your business. Your business needs to stand out in 2026. What worked a year ago, what worked 2 years ago, it's not going to work anymore today. So let your business stand out in 2026 by contacting me, and let's make some professional designs for you. We also do video editing. We also do social media marketing. So we are in this space and we see what works and what doesn't work. Contact me today and let's help you. Thank you.